numbers together, they have to basically start communicating more. Whether it be going to a party, you have to be more social. 555, it might be a baby on the way. 5 is number of sexual energy. 666, 6 is number of family. So again, most people think that's some kind of...
Oh my God.
Most people think that's a negative number.
Is that why they make it so negative? Because they're against the family unit.
Exactly. So it's not just that, but think about it this way. 666 is not the number of the devil, okay? There might be a devil, I'm not saying he doesn't exist, but 666 is not the number. 666 is the number of time itself. 60 minutes in an hour, 6 and 0, 6. 60 seconds in a minute, 6 and 0 and 6. And 24 hours in a day, there's your 666. Very simple.
What are the reasons that people see these three numbers?
So here's the thing.
That cannot be coincidence.
No, of course not. Here's the thing. Everyone sees those numbers. Most people just aren't aware of it. They think of it's a coincidence.
Oh, look, it's 222.
In this video, you're going to learn everything you need to know about the Missouri Micro Business License, from its application to how to actually get operational. We're going to talk all about the Missouri Micro Business License, which is open. We have a copy of it right here, and let's really dig. By the time you're done with this, you'll understand that it's a deceptive, like, we're going to go over this, only 5 pages. It's deceptively simple, and then to actually get open and operational is a much more complex and laborious process. If you need anything, go visit us at CannabisIndustryLawyer.com. This is a very special episode of Cannabis Legalization News, and let's hit the bumper and get into it.
Y'all know to go check out our cannabis lawyer over at the CannabisIndustryLawyer.com. I suggest you go get you a consultation, because if you're trying to get in this business, you definitely gonna want good representation with the taxation. You see what I'm saying? You got to pay that tax, because it is what it is. You know, to pay the guy that know what he's talking about, right? Right. Who's that?
What's happening, everybody? My name's Tom. You can find me over at CannabisIndustryLawyer.com. That is our law blog, where we blog all about cannabis licenses. This one's very exciting. It's called the Micro Business License. You have to be eligible to be able to play this license, and then it gets interesting. Real estate is required, and this, for reasons that we're going to discuss, is going to be a real estate play. Those are our ideal clients, real estate owners that would like to at least be a landlord of a dispensary or of a grow, as there's a dichotomy between who is eligible to actually apply for the license and who can afford to stand it up. This is what they have released for the license application. It's not very long. It's just 5 pages. The first thing that I thought was a little confusing is this right here, where it says September 4th, 2023. That may portend, sorry about using that Harvard verb, a extension of the deadline, which is currently July 27th through August 10th of 2023. If you go to the Missouri's Health Department's cannabis website and try to apply, you can't right now. The only thing that you are able to do, and you should do it, is create an account so that you can upload your application electronically in approximately 6 weeks or 7 weeks when it opens on July 27th. Will it be extended to this September 4th deadline that they actually put in the application over confusion? I don't know. This must be what the original rules that they cite right there, 19 CSR 100-1.6, yada yada. That probably is where that deadline arose. They are beating it. And so what do you first have to do? Yep.
Yo.
Oh, look, if it ain't the birthday girl.
Happy birthday.
It's my
You ain't filled out your application, Negro, to be favorite niece. This gonna be your only chance to get birthday money. Next year, I don't want to hear, hey, it's my birthday, blah, 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 if you ain't got that application turned in. I'm gonna tell you, you're not qualified. I'm gonna tell you, you're not qualified to receive birthday money. And I'm gonna stand on it, because you know I stand on business. Now get up out my face.
No, you don't.
Get up out my face. You know I stand on business. Hey, shout out to my niece. It's her birthday today. She ain't filled out her application. She trying to be hard-headed. I told her she could qualify to be favorite niece, but she don't want to qualify. So you know how I am. Anyway, back to this micro business, because that's actually some business. You know, I ain't trying to be politically correct, Uncle Fred, today. Hell, I got to handle that right now on site.